Hello and assalamualaikum and a very good day to all the viewers of this video, and I'm Haris Nafal bin Abdul Hadi, and I'm going to explain the types of lines and points in a basic geometry. So everyone knows what lines are or points are, but they don't really know what it means. But it is very important in geometry because it is everywhere. So first, a point is the most fundamental object in geometry. It is represented by a dot and named by a capital letter. A point represents position only, so it does not represent. It has no length, no width, or any height because it stays on its position. So these are the examples: point C, point M, and point Q. They always be there. There's no lines connecting them, and they're just at their position. So next is line. A line or a straight line can be thought of a connected set of infinitely many points. It extends infinitely far in two opposite directions, and a line that has infinite length has zero width and zero height. At any 2 points on the line, name it. This symbol is written on top of two letters is used to denote that line, and a line may also be named by one small letter. So the example here, there's 2 points A and B, and this line is written as AB with the symbol on it, and or we can use a small letter next to the line, and this line is called line L. Okay. Moving on is the intersecting lines. So it is two or more lines that meet at a point are called intersecting lines. That point would be on each of these lines. Line L and M intersects at Q. So the example here shows that line M and line L intersect at one point that is called Q. So that is intersecting lines. So next is perpendicular lines. Okay, two lines that intersect and form right angles are called perpendicular lines. This symbol is used to denote perpendicular lines. So the figure below, line L and M are perpendicular. So as we can see here, line M and L, they intersect, and the angle made by the intersection is 90 degrees, a right angle. So only a right angle, we call it perpendicular lines. So the next line is parallel lines. So everyone knows what a parallel line is because we were taught from we were little. So two lines both in the same plane that never intersects are called parallel lines. Parallel lines remains the same distance apart at all times, the distance here. Okay, for parallel lines we use this symbol. So here, line L and M, it is parallel. So no matter how long the line is, for line L and M, they will never intersect anywhere, even if the line is 1 kilometer or 1000 kilometer, and the distance here will always be the same. If it's 1 centimeter, it is always 1 centimeter, and if it's 1 millimeter and it doesn't intersect, it is still called parallel lines. So those are the basic lines in geometry. So okay, thank you for watching this video, and I really hope that you all enjoyed it and you all learned something from it, and you know better about lines and points. So I hope this video is a very useful video for you all, and again thank you and assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adib bin Abdul Samad, and my part will be type of angle. Before I proceed to type of angle, I will explain you about an angle. An angle is a union of two rays that have a common endpoint. I will illustrate you with this figure. for your understanding. This is the first ray and this is the second ray. Then they have a common endpoint at here and the angle are between them. The angle are measured in degree or radian. We proceed to type of angle. We had a right angle, a straight angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angle. For the first one, right angle always a measure of 90 degrees. For the first ray here and the second ray here, they got a 90 degrees between them. This 90 degrees called a perfect corner. I will proceed you to an example how many right angle in the following figure. For the first figure, we got a square figure here, and the square got 1 right angle, 2 right angle, 3 right angle, and 4. So for square figure, we got 4 right angle. Next, we proceed to a triangle figure. For this triangle figure, we got only 1 right angle here because this is not right angle and this is also not right angle. So triangle got 1 only right angle. And this figure, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For a cross figure, we got 12 right angle. How about this cuboid? Cuboid got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right angle in each surface. For a cuboid, we got 6 surface. 1 at the in front, 2 at the back, 3 at the top, 4 at the bottom, 5 at the right, and 6 at the left side. So 6 times 4, we got 24 right angle. Next is a straight angle. A straight angle always a measure of 180 degrees. 180 degrees are between this ray and this ray. 180 degrees, also called a straight line. Next is acute angle. Acute angle always measure a less than 90 degrees. This ray and the second ray here are less than 90 degrees. Next is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle always a measure more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. 190 degrees here, more than, but less than 80 degrees. If it less than 90 degrees, it will become acute angle. But if it's more than 180 degrees, it will become a reflex angle, which I will explain you later. We proceed with the exercise. The question for the first question, draw a triangle with 1 obtuse angle. So this is the figure for the triangle. 1 obtuse angle only here. This is not a obtuse angle. This is acute angle. And the second question asks for a 1 obtuse angle, then no obtuse angle. So no obtuse angle in this triangle. The last one is the reflex angle. Reflex angle always a measure more than 180 degrees. More than 180 degrees is a reflex angle. This is a comparison between the acute angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angle. Acute less than 90 degrees, obtuse more than 90 degrees but less than 180, and reflex angle are more than 180 degrees. This is the exercise I provide. The first question is the 90 degrees plus 50 degrees. It will be at obtuse angle, and the 360, and the second one is the 360 minus 70 degrees. It will become reflex angle, and the 45 degree plus 90 degrees, it will become obtuse angle, and the 180 plus 5 degrees, it will become reflex angle. 15 degree plus 10 degree, it will become acute angle. 75 degree plus 6 degree, it will become acute angle, and the 60 degree plus 57 degree, it will become obtuse angle. So we can conclude that right angle have a 90 degrees, a straight angle have at 180 degrees, and acute angle at less, the angle have less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle an angle between 90 to 180 degrees, and reflex angle angle between 180 to 360 degrees. That's all. I hope you understand. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon to all the viewers.
I am Muhammad Afzan bin Samam. Today I will talk about the properties of angle and the straight line. Okay, this topic will show you that how to know what is type in the angle they have in the straight line. Okay, I will show you in the example below. This is diagram 1 with in the diagram 1 there are a straight line AB which is parallel to the line CD, and there's one line EF that's cut this parallel line. Okay, this line EF is known as transversal line. What is transversal line? Now, the meaning of the transversal line is a line that intersects two or more lines. On this diagram, the transversal line is cut the line AB and CD. Okay, next. Okay, there are another types of angle in the given figure. Okay, first, interior angle. What is interior angle? Interior angle is angle that formed by a transversal and a line and which are inside the line cut by a transversal line. Okay, let's show you at line 3 and 6 and 4 and 5. This is known as the interior angle. Okay, next, alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle is pair of non-adjacent interior angle on opposite side of transversal. Okay, for example, angle 3 with 5 and 4 with 6. This is alternate interior angle. Okay, next, corresponding angle. What is corresponding angle? Okay, angle that have the same position with respect to their line and the transversal. Okay, for example, line 1 with 5, 4 with 7, 2 with 6, and 3 with 8. Okay, this is known as corresponding angle. Okay, next, another situation when I will explain to you is when the total angle on a straight line is 180. The angle between A and B are called is adjacent angle. They are also supplementary, which means when angle A plus with angle B is equal to 180. Okay, another situation is when a straight two lines intersect, the opposite angles are equal. The angle A and C are called vertically opposite angles, and similar with B and D also vertically opposite angle. This means that angle A same with angle C and angle B are equal to angle D. Next, when two parallel lines are cut by transversal line, the corresponding angles are equal. Here the example. Angle A are same with angle L, angle B are same with angle M, angle C are same with angle P, and D are same with angle Q. In this situation, the alternate angle also equal, which means that angle D are equal with angle M and C with angle L. And the interior angle are supplementary, which means that angle D when plus with angle L, they are also get 180 degrees. And angle C when we plus with M, we also get 180. Okay, that's all the topic I will talk to you, and I hope you all understand and get more information about these properties of angle and straight line. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to all of you. I am Muhammad Firdaus bin Burhanuddin from UniKL Niat. I would like to talk about supplementary angle and complementary angle. Okay. First at all, I want to ask all of you, did you know what is supplementary angle and complementary angle? So I guess all of you know about it, right? So what is supplementary angle? Supplementary angle state that two angles was measured sum to that of a straight angle. Okay, in this picture we have straight line. As we know, straight line is 180 degree. So if there is supplementary angle, so state in our mind straight line is like 180 degree, so supplementary angle is 180 degree. Okay. Next, I want to talk about complementary angle. Complementary angle state that two angles was measured sum to that of a right angle. So in this picture I have right angle triangle. So as we know, right angle is 90 degree. So if the question asks about complementary angle, so we know it is 90 degree. Okay. Next, I want to show you three examples about this question. Example 1. State the complementary angle and supplementary angle. I give you 30 seconds. Okay, time's up. So what is complementary angle? Complementary angle state that two angles whose measure sum to that right angle triangle, while supplementary angle state that two angles whose measure a straight line, a straight angle. Okay, the next example is find the measure of the supplement of an angle that measure 60 degree. Okay, first step is we must know which type of angle is that. So this question state that about supplement angle. So supplement angle is sum of straight line which is 180 degree. Then we make an unknown. Let x equal to 60 degree and x plus y equal to 180 degree, then y equal to 120 degree. So that's simple, right? 180 minus 60 we get 180 degree, so y equal to 120 degree. Okay, next example is find the measure of the complement of an angle measuring 30 degree. Like the second question, we must know which angle. So the question state about complement angle of an angle measuring 30 degree. Okay, complement angle say that sum of angle was right angle. So right angle is 90 degree. Then we make an unknown, let x equal to 30 degree and x plus y equal to 90 degree. Then y 90 minus 30 we get 60 degree. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Adib Shahmi bin Sukri and today I will explain to you about plane. The plane means a face-to-face such as floor of a room divides one portion of space from another. It has two dimensions, what like you can see, length and the width. In geometry, a plane has no thickness, it is endless or infinite. A plane is a set of points. The points are on the plane, and the plane contains points. Points that are on the same plane are called coplanar points. The meaning of the sentence is the plane is made by the many points joined together to become a line. The line is called plane. The side is called plane by the joining of many points. Points that are on the same plane are called coplanar points. The points A and B, as you can see, is a coplanar point. The point AB is on the same plane, so that's why we call them as a coplanar points. A unique plane is determined by any three non-collinear points. The A, B, and D, as you can see, is a non-collinear points because that 3 point is not in a same plane, where the planes that connect these 3 points is perpendicular to each other, where they are determined as a unique plane. Since lines and planes are both composed of points, we can make the following observation. If two different points of a line are on a plane, then all the points on the line are also on the plane. The line must also be on the plane. The meaning of this sentence is, as we know, the plane is made by the joining of many points. So if there is the 2 points on the plane, the other point must be on the plane to join the 2 points together to make one line that is called plane. The other observation is any line on a given plane divides the plane into two half planes. The result is 3 sets of points: the points on the line, the points on one half plane, and the points on the other half planes. The meaning of this sentence is, if any line is divided the plane into two planes, there always have 3 points joining the 2 planes together. That is, the points on the plane is A, the points on the one half plane is B, and the points on the other one half plane is T. Planes A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, H, E, F, G, H are parallel planes, but planes A, B, C, D and B, G, H, C intersect in a line. Parallel lines are two lines that are on the same plane and do not intersect however far they are extended. What I can give example is BC and AD. Skew lines are two non-parallel lines that will not intersect no matter how far we extend them because they are not on the same plane. Example for this skew lines is A, B, and G and H. So that's all from me. I hope you enjoy my presentation and understand well what is the message that I want to deliver to you about plane. Thank you for lending your ear. Assalamualaikum.